But, Semyonza, this is a man. Do you forget how they betrayed the Creator?
It is he who says...
Leave them here to rot.
How frustrating and so degrading. It's time we're wasting, as time will fly by and the sky will cry as light is fading. And he is waiting, oh, so patiently, while we repeat the same routine as we will please comfort stability. And please think about why you can't sleep in the evening. And please don't be afraid of what your soul is really thinking. Your soul knows good and evil, your soul knows both sides. And it's time you pick your battle, and I promise you this is mine.
My Creator, forgive me. The Creator brings him home.
You've heard me say many times, if Noah could come back today, Noah would run back to God and say, hide me from the wickedness of the people. You got Bibles in every room in your house, but a Bible can't save you if you won't open it up and read it.